I am afraid to start. I know I have the potential to do great, but most of the times I feel scared. Generally, I have tons of thoughts in my mind. What will my relatives say? What will my colleagues say? What will my friends say? And what will the neighborhood say? And so more, so more. I am trapped by my own thoughts in this universe. But I have a question. Does this even matter? The life is mine. I am doing nothing wrong. Then why to be scared? Why to be afraid? Why not to do the things you love? I have a question for you. My friend, yes, the one in front of me, you. Never ever think what others will think of you. The people will think nothing to the degree that you are thinking they will think of. Actually, they will think for a while and then vanish. I stared at the ceiling fan and thought start provoking to my mind. Once, tens, thousands, hundreds of thoughts in my mind. Yes, it happens to me not only once but most of the times. So if you are in your 20s, you may have felt such problems. Just write it down in one of your coffee. But if you are lazy enough like me, then just record it in your phone and listen. Think what is making you sad at the moment, what is making you unhappy at the moment, and what will make you happy at the moment. Because what matters is your happiness. You know what? Your birth is not in your control. Your death is not in your control. But what you have in your control is your life, the life you are living right now at the present moment. The past is gone and the future nobody knows, but you have the present, the most precious time. So why to waste it? Now today, get off from your comfort zone. Get up where you are. Get up from your bed. Get up from your school. Get up from anywhere. Get up from the market or anywhere where you are. And just do your first push-up. Just read the first line of your favorite book. Just listen to your favorite music. Sing your favorite song and dance. Bro, cause you will not get this time after. Start to work on the tasks that you are willing to do from last week. Start to do your left assignments. Start something that you haven't done. No matter what, do the things you love. Say your parents that you love them. Take yourself out for a walk. Talk to yourself, because when you are in your 80s, my friend, you must not regret of your 20s. Study comes in a way, but first your health matters, the mental health. And yes, I have felt some obstacles in this phase, and you may have too. In this world of enormous opportunities, be the someone who could contribute in the positive means, because you have the potential. Don't stay too much in your comfort zone. Don't stay awake till the late night. Don't chat with that boy or the girl without no reason, because you will get nothing in return. At last, what will they give you is only the frustration or the depression. I have felt now, 20s is the age where you have to work on yourself. You have to grow, you have to build. Don't dare to fail, my friend, because failure are the stepping stones and they will help you reach the higher. So, what I want to say is that start, no matter what, start your first step. No matter what others think, start where you are. Your first video may not be good, but when you will reach the 100th video, you could have been recognized by many. You have the potential, my friend, because you have to be the only one. Be happy, cause smile suits you. Signing off for today, this is Inertia on his Come. Follow me and subscribe me.
Money make the world go round.
I'm exploring myself here. I must say, I'm going through the new. I love making videos, and this is one. This is one of them. I don't know what I speak, but yeah, I'll be making the videos because I love it. I wanna say, oh, hello. Oh, I have to work on myself. I have to make me proud. No matter what, I will achieve my goal for sure one day. Signing off for now, this is Inertia Onis. bro, cause you will not this